how to get unlinked codes. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get effective way of using unlink and finding them unlinked codes. So of course, the very first thing that you want to have to do is to use a reliable web browser. But on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. So first, all I have to do is to type in unlinked codes. Now it is usually located into Troy Point. So click on the first result. And once you're here, all I have to do next is to scroll down. And then here, you should be able to see these quick list of unlinked codes that's going to be indicated on your screen. You can try all of these codes, and if you want more, you can go ahead and scroll down. And they also have a specific instruction on how you can properly input the code and use them. And that's it. That's how you find unlinked codes.